They say money is the rule of all evil. But is it worse than a man committing homicide, making a profit? And I'm the rapper, you the entertainer. But I would never entertain her. Okay. Back in the day, people said that I couldn't flow. Every time I open the door, another show, another room, another hoe. I went my way, and that's how I go. I was that boy on the block, never had cheddar. My profit was been good, and people said I'm better. Your girl like Twister, she sing it, she know she get wetter. But do you understand that I'm a man of my word? You an action, and I'm the verb. You the noun, you never hear the sound. I goes up when your girl goes down. It's a cold world, but it's a hot flow. I spit that hot shit like the violence in the traffic. Your girl fake Nicki Minaj, plastic. You talk, you'll be in the casket. You talk, you'll be in the casket. I said it twice, 3 times, you never heard. Number 33 ballin', Larry Bird. What do you know about the situation back in the days? Martin Luther King had a dream. I had a speech. He had a king. I had a queen. What's the difference? You never rap about the real shit. I'm the realest niggas, you say I killed it. We on the beat, and I can tell you that you leave, but when you leave, don't come back. Like 4 tracks and 4 dogs and 4 cats. They all coming like a mafia. Never had this, never had that. You say I'm full of shit, but I'm rapping like I never rapping like I rapped before. I'm at home, but I swear I never did the chores. I grew up as a man. I'm learning to master the plan. I master the people talking about rapping, they laughing, and they talking about track is, but the track is tragic, and I can never know. I never been in that combined circle, how we flow. It's a miracle that I'm living. I spit harder than people spit on the ground, they spitting. You losing, I promise I will always win, never to begin. But if you ever heard, listen about the music and the movement that I'm rapping. If you like it, then you're ready to set it up. You know what my flow, never been knowing, and never been hoeing, and never been rapping. You know what my cipher, turning the cipher. You like me, you know you like it. When I come up in the game with a smooth flow, tell your girl, she a smooth hoe. I know it, that I'ma blow insane. I promise I ain't changed the game. No Tupac, but dear mama, I thank God Obama killed Osama. No murder word, but my murder is to murder her, but never murder her when she alive. When she gone, it's alright. I'm a night, and the night is the black is the more whiter, the darker the meter, telling the people, and you know I'm going harder. Who am I? Who am I really? My profit is getting money, but never you can say you kill me. I'm shining, but I'm not no Oprah Winfrey. I'm grinding, but I know you cannot hear me. You want a record deal to get it how you live, but everybody in Texas rapping can't even eat a meal. These rappers, they rap about the nonsense. Stop, you really just none shit. Hey.